When reassembling piston assemblies, please note that the components are not interchangeable between Cal-Cell and non-Cal-Cell pumps. The components are, however, assembled in the same sequence. First, tip the pump so the pistons are vertical, or simply hold the piston in a vertical position. Drop the small valve ball into the piston and ensure it seats correctly. Insert the valve plunger and slide a spring over the plunger. Insert the valve cylinder, preferably with a new O-ring fitted, into the piston and push home. Insert the washer over the plunger and using the circlip pliers, insert a circlip into the piston. Repeat this procedure with each piston in turn.